How to fix Grindr registration error. Firstly, open App Store or Google Play Store on your device. Search for the Grindr application and look for any updates that may be available. Now on your device, open the Grindr app. Try to log in again. You can log in using different methods. You can use your email or phone number. If your password is wrong, then click on Forgot Password. Along with that, you can click on Sign in with Google or Facebook or your Apple ID. Click on Sign up at the top right corner. If you have not made an account on Grindr, you can do that by clicking on Sign up. Here you will need to accept the terms and condition. Simply click on Proceed at the bottom. Now type in your email, password and date of birth. If you are still having problem, then restart your device, or you can even check for your software update. Open settings and go to the general option. Now click on software update to check for any software updates that may be available. Additionally, go to iPhone storage, search for the Grindr app, open it and select Offload app. If none of these options are working, then try reinstalling the app. That's all for today. Thank you.